What's up, my friends? We're back at it again with another video. Today I wanted to do two things. One is take down just this whole system I got going on here. I have some Pop Funkos on these shelves that I made out of these copper piping and just some like 2x4. Got those cut up and boom, yeah, I had them for the shelf. But I saw this girl's YouTube. I forgot. I'm so sorry which one it was. But she had a clothes rack, and it was made out of copper. And I was like, dude, I really like the aesthetics, the way that looks. And I'm curious if I can actually repurpose some of the copper piping I have to do something similar. Don't know, but I will try. So that's the video, making a clothing rack? No, not a closing rack. Making a clothing rack? That's what it is. There you go. Let's get it. So definitely gonna get rid of I gotta take all this stuff down first. First things first. I have these pieces here, and I have these pieces here. So 9 of these pieces, 9 as well for these pieces. And then I have a whole bunch of just rods. I'm guessing if I can make something similar to that, that should be secure. And then 2 going up this way, right? And then from there, just start building upwards. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? I used one of these bad boys to cut the pipes. I guess this is a 1/2 inch pipes. And then these 2 that have these caps on, I can't take them off. Oh, there. Okay. that one came off. That one didn't come off. That one couldn't come off, and that one couldn't come off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these for the feet. This is just basic ingenuity, I am assuming, like Legos but for adults. That's kind of how I'm looking at this right now. Connecting these 2 like that, but like a lot longer, so maybe like that one. I mean, this isn't going to be a really big rack, so I can't take this piece off, so I'm going to have to cut it off. Boom. Alright, well, lots of waste. But we got this piece back now. That up right there. Get that one up on the other side. And boom. That is so far how it's looking. Realizing something here is that if I go straight up and then like a T, this could potentially fall. So what I think I'm gonna do is basically do the same thing here, flip it going down so that there's the top and then 3 legs going down to a platform. Let me brainstorm. Okay, so that took a while, but I'm getting there. It's not as tall as I would like it to be, so I'm still trying to figure out how can I make this taller. Let me show you what I got. All right, so this is it. I mean, there's definitely, it's not pretty, but it works, and I didn't have to spend money again. It's pretty much up to my chest. I mean, it works, but a little flimsy here. All right, my friends, so this is it. This is the setup. We made it. It is, you know, I mean, it works. I can't blame the construction build of it. It is leaning a little backwards, but it is holding a bunch of clothes, and theoretically speaking, this is more than I would actually need for a video. But if this is what I need for a video, it works. I mean, we have like, what, 6 jeans, a pea coat, and a bunch of shirts, sweaters, and whatnot. So anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video, but if you enjoyed, comment, like, and subscribe. Classic ending right there, right? Until next time, my friends, be safe, be blessed, have a good one. Cheers.